Well, I'm Andreas Truggenroth. I'm the Executive Director for Daimler Chrysler of the Hybrid Development Center.
And Andreas, tell us what we're driving today.
Well, what we have here is the Durango Hemi Hybrid. That's our first hybrid vehicle. And what we are doing here today is very special because we are showing you a prototype which has still 3 iterations to go until it comes to production. So not everything might be perfect here, but we feel it's important to really show where we are in terms of hybrid fuel economy improvements and the way we are going there.
And this is actually the first time you've ever shown a car this early.
We never showed a car at this early stage in the development process, but we feel pretty comfortable that you get the feeling what hybrid is all about. We also can demonstrate, I think, the benefits of the hybrid technologies quite well. But as we said, you might feel a little bump here or there, and that's not because the system doesn't work, but that there is some refinement still to do.
Now, Chrysler just announced that you're going to have a mild hybrid and a 2-mode hybrid. Tell the public, what's the difference between your mild hybrid and your 2-mode hybrid?
We think that hybrid is more than just one specific system. It's a hybrid portfolio. The full hybrids, the 2-mode hybrids here, really give you the maximum benefit in fuel economy, and at the same time not giving up anything on performance and comfort. There are mild hybrids which are less complicated system. They have a smaller battery, they have usually only one electric motor, which give you still a decent fuel economy improvement, but maybe only half of the fuel economy improvement than the full hybrid system. But they also weigh less, they are smaller, and they are less expensive. So we have then product offerings for different kind of fuel economy improvements and performance.
And the 2-mode hybrid gets good mileage in the city and on the highway?
That's one of the benefits, that these 2 modes really allow us to optimize on the one hand with the first mode more for low speed in the city, and for higher speeds on the highway, or when you are towing a trailer, you get also a very decent improvement in fuel economy. That's one of the benefits of these 2-mode hybrid systems.
Because you have a good low-end torque when you have a hybrid.
Well, we have a good low-end torque, but there is another benefit in here with those 2 electrical CVT modes, pretty complicated to explain. We can really optimize to low speed to high speed, and then we have something which nobody else in their hybrid systems have, and that is we have 4 fixed mechanical gears like you are used to in mechanical transmissions, and these fixed gears give you of course a lot of stability when towing a trailer, or give you a great efficiency in this mechanical mode. So
is the price then going to be twice as much for the 2-mode as it would for the mild?
Well, that might be. The price, of course, always depends on what the market, where the market is. So, and that's not determined yet. But of course, you have more components in there. It's more complex. You definitely might expect that the full hybrid is more expensive than the mild one.
And when are you going to bring the mild hybrid out and the 2-mode hybrid out?
The 2-mode full hybrid we are going to introduce next year to the market. We are working on mild hybrids. We haven't announced yet when they are.
Will you still have the nickel metal hydride battery in it?
You are sitting on the nickel metal hydride battery here, which is a good technology for now. We think the whole industry believes that lithium-ion batteries will be the ones for the future. What Jay is just doing here is really demonstrating stop-start rear-wheel drive. We are in the electric mode only, backing up in rear-wheel drive. And what you notice, the only noise you hear is from the air-conditioned fan maybe. And that's one of the big benefits of the hybrid, that it's really the electric mode is not only not consuming fuel, but also very comfortable, very quiet.
And are you working on fuel cell as well?
Well, we are as a company working on fuel cells substantially. I was in charge of fuel cells before I did that hybrid stuff here.
How much of what you're doing with the hybrid can be seen in a fuel cell.
And there's a lot of synergy between hybrids and fuel cells because we have the batteries, we have the high voltage, we have electric motors, we have power electronics, we have major elements of the energy management control algorithms which we can use, and that's why there's a lot of sharing between those two technologies.
Andreas, thank you very much.
Thank you.